Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you the fully professional Angular 18 Plus Booster 5 e-commerce store website. In my old video I have shown you the fully working website, but few functions and the rough look. Here is that image. See, I think you remember. And now here's the latest image that looks pretty better than this image. And guys, now I will show you the complete demo and code snippet as well. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So guys, here we go. We see there's lot of difference in this and in this. See. And here's that the website look. See friends. Few dummy pages and cart page as well. In this as well. Now I will show you the working demo. First, like view detail, see the beautiful detail page. See friends. Back to store page. See, just brilliant, see friends. All the dynamic things like title, pricing and description as well. Category, SKU and add to cart button. Back, I will show you more. See friends. Just brilliant. Now I will click on add to cart button. Button clicked. See, has been added to cart. After it, I will show this in like the notification as well. For now, the pop-up. Okay, now I will see the cart page. See the beautiful cart page, guys. See text seems more now. Let me make it 4 and 4 and save it. Now let's check. See, yes, now seems better. And also see the quantity functionality as well. Now the item one and pricing. Now I will increase the quantity. See if the pricing increases as well. See, just brilliant. Works well. Decrease as well and increase. Decrease works perfectly. Also the remove item as well. Item removed. Now continue shopping back to shop page and now I'll add one more item. Just brilliant. See item edit. Now add to cart. Okay and see cart. Now I need to add more items. Back to page and I will add this one. Add to cart and now I will check. See great item edit. Now need to add more items. Let's one more. Add to cart and edit. See guys, just brilliant. Have you seen the quantity increases, the pricing as well. Same for that. See friends, just brilliant. I hope you will like it. And guys, also please share your views on it as well. And guys, also I'm full-time freelancer, and if you will have any kind of project, then feel free to contact me. Here's my website, therichpost.com. Here is the contact and advertise page. You can contact me via my email, my Skype, and my WhatsApp number as well. Back to project, and now I will show you the checkout page. See, checkout page. See, guys, the brilliant order summary, all the items, and place an order button. Now back to cart page. I need to delete this one, removed. Back to checkout. See, updated. So have you seen all the things, all the functionality works well. And guys, now I will show you the code snippet as well. Here's my all the components inside my app, source, app and components folder like card, checkout, footer, header, the details and list as well. All my services, here services like all the cart functionality, place inside cart, service and the product service like all get the products and single product page as well. See, here's my API from where I'm getting the products. This demo API. See friends, the demo API, the JSON data, and here's the cart functionality. See friends, the add to cart. This that cart. The push very simple. The push will add the item to the array. Very simple. And the cart items like all the items we will get the clear cart, all the item will be deleted, and the checkout button functionality and the remove item as well. So the filter item minor item remove, just brilliant. If its id match to the item, then item removed. So guys, I hope you will like it, and the more I must show you, here's the routing. See all the components and the simple routing difference. And the more thing I must show you for the styles I have added inside my angular.json file. Like I have import the module bootstrap 5. Is that bootstrap 5 and all my demo CSS inside styles.css file and all the components is inside the component like the checkout page is HTML of checkout and also the CSS place inside the CSS file and all the functionality inside the checkout component.ts file. See friends. And it's a simple. Let me show the card. See all the card functionality like okay the total, the quantity input as well, the remove item, all the things are getting from service file that I have shown you earlier. See guys, so guys see all the things works well. Removed again. I will add the items like this one, add to cart, add item added. You can see. So guys, have you seen the proceed to card? Now the checkout form. I will fulfill the form like with demo details, address, city Ludhiana 14108. And here's the summary, here's the demo. I'll fill with the demo details. Here's all and the other demo. And now place order. See guys, the order has been placed successfully. Here's a notification. Works brilliant. And same I will add here. So guys, after checkout button, order place clicks, all the item deleted. That I must show you that functionality like the checkout. Yes, inside service file. See the checkout button. This dot clear cart. All the items array is equal to 0. See guys. So guys, have you seen just simple e-commerce website the fully functionality inside Angular 18 plus Booster 5. And guys, again I must say, there's a blog. You will get the more data here, like for Angular as well and the other as well, like React.js, Vue.js, Laravel, WordPress, Bootstrap 5, and free admin dashboards as well. And guys, please share after this. I will make the video on which thing like Angular admin dashboard or Vue.js and React.js as well. And guys, also please share your views that how I have done this. After this, I will come with more demos. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.